Hey guys, Chuck Gribb with Foraging Truth. Check out this mundane color mushroom. And then purple fibrous stalk, very fibrous. This is Laccaria ochropurpurea, the purple gilled Laccaria. Look at some of these mushrooms, guys. Very kind of regular cap, and then boom, wide gills, very widely spaced, very purple. They can be lighter purple, they can be darker purple, and very fibrous stalk. See if I can show you this. Look at this smaller specimen here. See that? Laccaria ochropurpurea, purple gilled Laccaria. Go out into the creation and find it.